Hey everyone, so in this video today we are talking about that how to create a web browser in just 2 minutes using OpenAI with the ChatGPT. Here it is. So you can simply go to the Google Chrome and here is the ChatGPT. So if you are new to the ChatGPT, you can check the description. I'm added the previous video link. So I just type the Python code for build web browser using PyQt. So I just type that line and so PyQt is a graphical library. So I just already installed on my machine, so you can install by yourself. So here it is. The code is generating now. It's pretty awesome, right? So if you just type that query, it will be generating. Yeah, here it is. So now that code is generated, so I just copy the code and I just go to the VS Code. So I just paste it and I can simply run the code. See, so this is the web browser I just created and so you can see that, right? So in that I can just search some Python. So here it is. Welcome to org. So here it is. So this browser is 100% private browser because this browser created by yourself. So no one can trace you, no one can watch. So this is purely private browser. So I just close it and I just added some more functionality. Like again I go to that same chat box and add some functionality like go back, go forward and refresh the page and URL bar. So I just add it in that same chat history. Let's see the code is generating back, forward, refresh. So that's insane. It looks like really crazy. So this product will take the whole software development industry to the next level actually. So here it is that full code is generated and I just copy the code and I can just simply replace it, save it and I just run it. Let's see. Yeah, so here it is. See, so this is the page and so I just type Python, just going to inside that I just click the back, so it will be giving the back page and a forward, so it will be going to forward and refresh, so it will be refreshing and I just type OpenAI. So inside that so I'm going to inside that. So this is the OpenAI home page, so I scrolling like that and again I click the back button and again I click the back button. So this is 100% pure private window actually. This browser will created by you, so you can also create your own web browser in just 2 minutes using that OpenAI with the ChatGPT. If you really like that video, you can keep subscribe my channel and you can click the bell icon, so after that if I post in the next videos in the future, so it will be notifying to you actually. So keep subscribe and like and share, comments, share to your friends and colleagues, so it will be helpful for others. Yeah, thanks all, have a nice day, bye.